Every day you use your phone. But can you talk about it in English? Today, you can. 40 simple sentences. Let's go. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I turn on my phone. I turn on my phone. I unlock my phone. I unlock my phone. I look at the screen. I look at the screen. I check the time. I check the time. I check my messages. I check my messages. I read a message. I read a message. I write a message. I write a message. I send a message. I send a message. I receive a message. I receive a message. I make a phone call. I make a phone call. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I talk on the phone. I talk on the phone. I end the call. I end the call. I open an app. I open an app. I close an app. I close an app. I scroll through my feed. I scroll through my feed. I like a photo. I like a photo. I take a photo. I take a photo. I save a photo. I save a photo. I search for something. I search for something. I find the information. I find the information. I read an article. I read an article. I watch a video. I watch a video. I pause the video. I pause the video. I turn up the volume. I turn up the volume. I turn down the volume. I turn down the volume. I connect to the internet. I connect to the internet. I check my email. I check my email. I delete an email. I delete an email. I set an alarm. I set an alarm. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I plug in the charger. I plug in the charger. I check the battery. I check the battery. I turn on the camera. I turn on the camera. I take a selfie. I take a selfie. I share a photo. I share a photo. I turn off my phone. I turn off my phone. I put down my phone. I put down my phone.
That's it. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow for more English. Bye!